Welcome to week 14. Here's what we're doing with our blog this week. So here we are starting off in our Schoology folder, and you can watch this overview video, which you're watching right now. Make sure you have evidence of your getting things done or GTD process. Get it out of your head and into your trusted system so you can be less stressed out and more productive. Complete the week 14 blog post. It looks like this. Actually, hold on a second. That's not it. Let's click on it right here. So week 14, there's not a lot of work to do in this. It's only going to take you probably 20-ish minutes to complete it. But copy and paste this into your blog. And I put Hedy Lamarr in here because she helped invent frequency hopping or jumping, which allows us to use cell phones and Wi-Fi. And she helped with torpedoes in World War II. She was also a famous actress. Really good story. You should check into it. Your summary is simple, just like we normally do. In the classroom, it talks about playing a game, and then we're going to do analysis with the analysis post. That's all this is talking about right here. In the outside creativity, productivity, and the brain room, I want you to take a look at this article, this handout, and see what you can do in helping your process with your social emotional work. And then go for a walk for 10 minutes and think about it. Then come back in here and you can do a reflection. And you don't have to spend 10 minutes writing a reflection, just about 5 minutes. Just remember, if you don't do something, you don't remember. And so if you come across some information that you think is important, doing something physical by typing, putting it somewhere in your blog so you have access to it, that's important to do. The arcade is a new section, and that's essentially what we're doing this week, is I want you to play games for a while and then do analysis of the game. And so that's all. That's all you need to do for the arcade, is that's what that's saying there. And then write what you learned and a problem you solved for this week, and then fill out the activity. Again, you're only working in the classroom in the blog post, and for about the amount of time it's going to take for you to read what the effects are for doing the blog post for the game analysis. And then you're spending about 15 minutes in the outside room to take a look at social emotional. Now, the game analysis blog post, I scroll back to the top of this, copy and paste this into your blog, and then name it Game Analysis plus the name of the game. And then you can put an image at the top if you want, and then delete my directions. And the summary, just write this when you're done. And then go through and fill out the information about the game that you picked. And this just asks you a number of questions about how the game is structured, what works, what doesn't work, what are you aware of. So you just complete this and publish it. And we're going to be talking about this starting next week and talking about how we want to collaborate together on similar games. So we're going to find out who picked what games, who's interested in what, and that's going to be pretty exciting. And that's it for this week.